Here I have OPPO Reno5 Lite, and today I'm going to show you how to add Google account on this device and also how to remove this account. So firstly, you have to open settings, then go to the users and accounts section, then tap add account, then select Google, of course. Of course, you'll need internet connection to add this account, so here you have to enter your email or phone number. Tap next, then you have to enter your password. Tap next, then you have to agree with Google's terms of service and privacy policy, and then you can select if you want to enable this backup to Google Drive feature. I guess I'm not going to enable it right now. Then just tap accept and account will be added. So if you want to remove this account, just select it here and then tap here and select remove account and confirm it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.